Chapter 4, Mughal Empire, Establishment and Extension, Part 1. Mughal Empire, Establishment and Extension. Independence Day was celebrated on 15th August. Pratik saw the national flag being unfurled at the Red Fort on his TV at home. He even saw different pictures of the Red Fort. The next day, Pratik asked his class teacher all about Red Fort. His class teacher downloaded pictures of the Red Fort as well as pictures of other architectural monuments from the internet and showed them to all the students. While showing them the picture, the teacher told them that those monuments were constructed during the Mughal period. She decided to tell them all about the Mughal rule. Now, in this picture 4.1, a glance at Mughal architecture, if you see, these are all the monuments that have been built by the Mughals. And in the third picture, in the first line, if you'll say, it's a red fort, and on red fort, the Indian flag is been flourished. So, on Independence Day, Pratik saw on TV, 15th of August, Independence Day, Pratik saw on the TV that the flag is been unfurled, and then he asked about Red Fort. He inquired about Red Fort to his teacher, and she decided to download a picture and showed them to all the students. She not only downloaded the picture of the Red Fort, but she also downloaded the picture of various Mughal architectural monuments, and she decided to tell them and inform them more about the Mughal rule. Moving ahead in the chapter, Delhi was been Delhi was under Ibrahim Lodi's rule during the time, and Babur ruled in Kabul, Afghanistan. Babur was the ruler of Mughal dynasty. Now, Delhi, Ibrahim Lodi was ruling Delhi at that point in time when Babur attacked Delhi, and he was ruling in Kabul. Babur was the ruler of Mughal dynasty, and he was the one who was belonging to the Mughal dynasty, and he attacked on Delhi on 1526 CE. Ibrahim Lodi was defeated by Babur well-equipped army in the Battle of Panipat. So Ibrahim Lodi was defeated, and Babur was having a well equipped, that means his army was having all arms and ammunitions of that point in time which was required, and he was defeated in the battle of Panipat. Panipat is a place. This brought an end to the Sultanate age and establishment of the Mughal era. And when Babur started ruling over Delhi, that was an end of the Sultanate period and the beginning of the Mughal era. In the beginning, the Mughal ruled near Delhi. Babur was won many battles, and his descendant gradually extended the empire. Let us learn about incidents that occurred during the Mughal age and know more about the administration and social life of that time. So, in this, they are saying that Mughals ruled near Delhi, and when Babur won the battle, his descendant gradually extended the empire. Extended the empire means increase the area of empire. And in the further chapter, they are going to tell us more about the incident that occurred during the Mughal age, and through that we will able to understand the administration and the social life of that time. Main event of the Mughal dynasty, Babur. 1526 to 1530, this was his tenure, and in 1527 CE Common Era, he fought a battle with the brave Rana Sangha at Kanauj, in which Babur defeated him, and his army was equipped with cannons. That means he fought a battle with a brave Rana Sangha at Kanauj, and he defeated him, and he was having a well equipped army. He was having everything in his army. 1530, Babur fell ill and died. He fought many battles to lay a strong foundation of Mughal empire and gain control over area near Delhi and Agra. He emerged victorious in most of the battle. Now in 1530, what happened? This Babur died because of the illness, and he fought many battles near Delhi and Agra so that his Mughal empire foundation becomes stronger, and in most of the battles he got victory. Second, Humayun, 1530 to 1540, and again in 1555 and 1556. Humayun ascended the throne of Delhi after Babur. According to his father's will, the kingdom was divided and each of his brothers inherited one province. He retained Delhi. After the death of Babur, what happened? According to his father's will, Humayun's father, he ascended the throne of Delhi. He became the king over Delhi. And according to the wish of the Babur, what happened? Each of his brother got one province, and Humayun himself, kept Delhi with him. Humayun had to struggle a lot against his brother Kamran and the Afghans. So he had a lot of struggle with his own brothers only, and their name was Kamran and Afghans. Humayun was defeated twice by the Sher Shah, and he had to escape for 15 years in order to save his life. During that time, Akbar was born in the palace of the king of Amarkot. What happened? See, when we are able to see two timelines over where he had ruled Delhi from 1530 to 1540, he ruled, but from 1540 to 1555, there is a gap of 15 years. So during that point of time, when he was defeated by Sher Shah, he escaped from Delhi to save his life, and his son was born in the palace of Amar in the palace of King Amarkot. Okay, Humayun regained Delhi from the successors of Sher Shah. Then Humayun again took the Delhi from the successors of the Sher Shah, the one who were for the leading Sher Shah. Sher Shah, 1540 to 1545. Sher Shah Suri was an Afghan leader who had progressed on his own. He defeated Humayun twice and therefore established the Suri dynasty in Delhi. So he was basically an Afghan leader, and he has defeated Humayun twice, and he established Suri dynasty in Delhi. After gaining control over Delhi, he won many other important battles. He then extended his empire from Kabul to Bengal and Malwa. And when he gained a control, when he became the king over Delhi, he expanded his battle by winning many important he extended his empire, he extended his empire, winning many battles, and he extended it from Kabul to Bengal and Malwa. He is also known as a reformer in history. After Sher Shah, the Mughal dynasty was re-established in Delhi. Sher Shah was also known as a reformer. Why he was called as a reformer, we'll be seeing it in the further part of the chapter. And after Sher Shah, Humayun again he established a Mughal dynasty. He again re-established Mughal dynasty in Delhi. So if you will see this timeline, you will able to understand this 15 years when Humayun was not there and Sher Shah defeated him. He established Suri dynasty, and again Mughal dynasty was re-established by Humayun on Delhi. Akbar. From 1556 to 1605, Akbar was there. Akbar was just 13-year-old when his father Humayun passed away. He was very young, a boy of 13 years when the Humayun was got passed away. Akbar was a very young, and so Bairam Khan, a faithful minister of Humayun, brought him up as a guardian and took care of the administration on Akbar's behalf. So Delhi as a Mughal empire was run by a guardian of Akbar, and his name was, he was a very faithful minister and he acted as a guardian of Akbar, and his name was Bairam Khan. And he took all the major decisions for Mughal empire, for Mughal Sultanate on behalf of Akbar for a very long time. Hemu, the leader of Sikandar Suri, established his rule over Delhi when Akbar was in Punjab. With the guidance of Bairam Khan, Akbar defeated Hemu in the Battle of Panipat. Now Hemu, he is the leader of Sikandar Suri, and he established his rule over Delhi when Akbar was in Punjab. So, under the guidance of guardian Behram Khan, he defeated Hemu. Who defeated? Akbar defeated Hemu under the guidance of Behram Khan in the Battle of Panipat. Since Behram Khan became more independent, Akbar seized all his powers and sent him for Hajj. He was killed on the way to Hajj. Now, when Behram Khan started taking more independent decisions on behalf of Akbar, which was not accepted by the Akbar when he became a young man, mm, excuse me, he seized away. He seized away means what? All the powers of Behram Khan was taken away by the Akbar, and he sent him to the Hajj. Hajj is an important holy place for Islamic Muslim people, and he was killed on the way to Hajj. Akbar annexed Chittor and Ranthambore in the battle against Rana Pratap. Frequent battles were fought between them. Now, what was the next achievement of Akbar? Akbar annexed Chittor. Annexed means taken away Chittor and Ranthambore in the battle that he fought with Rana Pratap. And between Akbar and Rana Pratap, frequent battles were fought between both of them. Akbar's empire extended during the period between 1585 to 1605 CE and annexed Kandahar, Kashmir, and Kabul and established his rule over Khandesh Ahmednagar in the south. So, this is the area where he expanded his entire empire. Uh, Kandahar, Kashmir, Kabul, and also to the Khandesh and Ahmednagar in the south in this tenure. There was lot of disorder during the last days of Akbar's rule as Prince Salim revolted. Later on, Salim adopted the name Jahangir and ascended the throne. So, a lot of disturbance was seen. What was a lot of indiscipline was seen during the last day of Akbar, last days of his life, when the Prince Salim he revolted uh, against his own father, and Salim adopted the name Jahangir and he became the king of the Mughal dynasty. We have already gathered a lot of information about the different rulers of the Mughal dynasty like Babur, Humayun, Akbar and Sher Shah Suri of the Suri dynasty. And now on the basis of this, let us know about the administration, society, art and architecture. Now we have a basic information about the Mughal dynasty who started it. First Babur started it, then Humayun was there, and then Akbar was there, and then Jahangir Salim was there. In between there was Sher Shah Suri who established Suri dynasty. Now we'll move our entire attention towards the administration, society, art and architecture of the Mughal dynasty.